Boy, we got a surprise for you guys. You gotta check out this. If you look online, Little Pete, Big Rig, there's a video on it on YouTube, and I got in contact with the gentleman, and we're here today to check it out. Let's go.
We decided to sell the farm and hit the road. We're on an adventure of a lifetime with our 2 horses, our 2 motorcycles, and our 2 dogs. I'm Rhonda, and this is Jay. We are Pleasure Ride RV. Hit the subscribe button to follow on our next adventure.
Check out this bad boy, man. Now look how tall I am and look at the comparison to this truck. This is like, if you're a truck driver, this is a kid in a candy store right now, man. I'm happy to see this. I'm gonna go inside and see if I can get a hold of somebody.
Yeah.
Put air in the tank.
Okay, this is the inside.
Yeah, it's got a compressor on it.
It's not finished, but it is amazing.
Air bags on, 2 back axles.
Oh. Cool. This thing will pull my horse trailer really well.
Yeah, you can pump it up.
An overhead console.
Whatever load you got on it.
Yeah, this
See the springs in there?
Oh yeah.
That's why it comes up so easy.
Yeah, look at it back from here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Sorry about the videoing. Our GoPros are at the motorhome, and we don't have them with us. But I couldn't resist not getting this on film. So, like I say, these are amazing trucks, and there's let's see if I can get this. It is amazing trucks, and the ladies that help build these trucks, they're awesome. They do an awesome job on it. Like I said, like, look at the size of this thing. How cute is that, huh? That is awesome. Very good job. Very awesome job. Here's the cute little mirrors, little breathers. These are the exhaust pipe, or the fuel tank. Sorry. It comes with full function 2 stacks, and they're functional, and air horns and everything. There's the whole truck. No bigger than that pickup truck right beside it. Look how cute that is. Wow, amazing job. So anyways, I wanted to appreciate the owner of Little Pete. He also gave us the piece off the hood and the sides of the hood that go. They make their own emblems. It's probably backwards, but anyways, he gave us one, and I want to appreciate his time and the effort to hang out with us. And he didn't want to be videoed, so you got to respect that. But anyways, he gave us a lot of good knowledge, and I think we got, hey Rana, I think we got a lot of info on him, huh? He gave us a lot of info.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do, babe? Are we gonna buy one?
You need to get a job.
Yeah, definitely gonna try that. I get a little work on that one. But anyways.
What, getting a job or
But yeah, they're a cute truck. But I definitely gonna look into that. Anyways, I just thought I'd share that with you.